Happy holidays, guys. This is Mark with Inside the Magic California, and I am here at the Grand Californian Hotel. And boy, oh boy, do I have a delicious treat for you guys. So I am at the Grand Californian, and it is Christmas time, and in front of me, I have the Grand Gingerbread House. All right, so here's a little information about the Grand Gingerbread House. Structure measures 7 feet tall and 12 feet wide. The edible elements took 1,400 hours to bake and assemble. Wooden infrastructure weighs 700 pounds and took 25 cast members hours to design and craft. As amazing as this is, what's even more amazing is that there are 25 hidden Mickeys in this house. So, do you think that we can find them all? Let's find them. Okay, so that's definitely one. A little peppermint candy right there, that's 2. There's another one right there, that's 3. Little hidden Mickey right there, and the snowflake, that's 4. Gumdrop action, that's 5. This is actually more hidden, so underneath there, you kind of see the little hidden Mickey shape, that's 6. Looking on the other side of this tree, there's one right there, that's 7. Side of the house right there, that's 8. Directly down from that, there's another one, that's 9. Up top there, there's a 10, number 10. At the top of the house, there is number 11. On the side of the house to the right, a little swirly pattern, that is 12. So if you go behind the house, right there in the windowsill, number 13. Dropping down, number 14. And from there, number 15. Number 16. Top of the snowflake, number 17. Back to the swirly pattern one on the side. Directly down. Number 18. Also in the back side there, number 19. Back in the front of the house, and if you see the peppermint bark trail leading up to the house, you can see the peppermint hidden Mickey there. That is number 20. If you look at the gingerbread man's foot, we're at 21. Past the Christmas tree, gonna be a little red sparkly gumdrop one. That is 22. Right before you get to the full side, you got that little white marshmallow one. That's 23. On the peppermint bark golden road, it's almost like a footprint. It looks like a footprint, but it's in the shape of a Mickey. So there is 24. Okay, so at 25, we have found the last hidden Mickey in the Grand Gingerbread House. At the end of the Golden Trail, there it is, 25. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for any and all things Inside the Magic. This is Mark with Inside the Magic California. Happy holidays, guys.